Hi, welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. So today I want to cook for you some shrimp and Roman noodles. Yeah, that's it, shrimp and Roman noodles. Now you know Roman noodles cost about maybe 25 cents a pack, okay? I have 8 jumbo shrimp, which was on about, I think I paid $4 for that. So we're on $4.25, right? And I have about 75 cents worth of vegetables. I have a cut up red sweet pepper, onion, and cilantro. So about 75 cents worth of that. So we're into this shrimp and Roman noodles for what, $5, $4 and something. Okay. Alright, so I'm going to adjust the camera. We're going to get started, shall we? Great. Okay, so what we have here is I have 8 jumbo shrimp. Show you how big they are. Okay, 8 of them. This is my cut up fine red sweet pepper, onions, and cilantro, and a piece of garlic. We're going to be working with Roman noodle, chicken Roman noodle, and I'll tell you the rest as we go, okay? So I have water on the stove boiling for the Roman noodles to be dropped down in. You know, just get you a saucepan and fill it up with maybe 8 ounces of water. And this is olive oil. And I'm going to adjust you to the stove now. There we go. So you can see the stove. And you cannot see my pot over there. Wait a minute. There we go. Now we're there. Alright, so I'm going to put the olive oil in. Just enough to coat the bottom. We're not drowning the shrimp. We're just coating the bottom of the frying pan. See? Very little. See? You can see just a drop down there. Okay, we're going to drop the shrimp in. Oh, and I lost one. Great. We're going to cook that until the shrimp turn orange, and I'll be back at that point. Okay, I just wanted to show you. So you see how the shrimp is orange here? Well, we want both sides to be orange, okay? See, these are orange because I turned them over. This is, I have not turned over. So that I wanted to show you. In addition to that, we're going to drop our vegetables now, the red pepper, onion, garlic, and cilantro down on this side of the frying pan. So we can let that steam up. So you notice I didn't mix the vegetables with the shrimp. I have it on the side of the frying pan. And I can't turn that. Okay, better. And this is just to get the water out the vegetables. Dry them out. Okay, I want to put some garlic on the vegetables, which is the pepper, onion, and cilantro. and a little black pepper. I'm turning the shrimp over one more time. And what we want to do is we're going to cook the noodles. Well, we're cooking the noodles in the water first. The water's boiled now. So we're going to add that after I take the shrimp out. I'm going to take the shrimp out. We don't want to overcook the shrimp. Now I'll let you see the shrimp. Okay, we're going to cut this off for now. So now I have my noodles. Now normally you would put this package that came in the Roman noodles in the water. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to boil it just in the water first, and then I'll add the package when I added the noodles to the vegetables and the shrimp. Okay? Alright, so we're going to put the noodles in the water. Okay, it's in. We'll wait until that starts catching up and boiling. And we'll be back when the noodles is done. Okay, so the Roman noodles is out. And this is what it looks like. I did rinse them with cold water to get the starch out. So here's the end results. Okay, let me put it this way. Alright, so now in our frying pan that we have all this goodness left over from the shrimp and the peppers and onions, we're gonna put a stick of butter for flavor. 1 stick of butter in here. Let's turn the fire on. I'm going to let that butter melt. I'm going to spread it all over, because what I want to do is get everything that's on the bottom of the frying pan incorporated with the butter. That's flavor. Okay, now we're going to drop the Roman noodles. We're going to drop the vegetables, which is the peppers, onions, cilantro, and garlic, and the shrimp. Okay, we're going to add another stick of butter. So that's 2 sticks of butter now, right? Let's turn that around to get all that flavor onto the noodles. And this is the package that came with it. This is chicken broth. That's what it is. Okay, it says chicken flavoring, but it's chicken broth. I'm going to sprinkle that in. Now you see why I didn't put it in the water. Okay, I think we're good. You don't want to cook it too much because the noodles are already done and you don't want them to get too soft. So let me plate up and give you a view. I'll be right back. Okay, here we go. Shrimp and ramen noodles. How about that? So you see, this could be a quick go-to meal when you're just coming in, you're late, you have to cook dinner. Come on now. All you need is okay, you don't have to do shrimp. You can do chicken. You can do steak. Just have that available. You know, shrimp you can take out the freezer, put it in some cold water, and that's defrosted in less than 10 minutes, okay? And voila, here we go. All I added is a cut up sweet red pepper, onion, garlic, and what else? Oh, cilantro. Had that in the freezer. You just take it out the freezer, put it in a bowl, put it in the microwave on a minute. That start out literally 10 minutes. Your food is on the table, right? How about that? Look at that. Okay, let's take a taste. Isn't that pretty? Let me let you get a good look. Isn't that gorgeous? Huh? Look at that. Great. Okay. Let me get a taste. I'm going to grab some noodles and some shrimp. Here we go. Mmm. Mm-mm-mm. Wow. Let me finish chewing and I'm going to give you the word of the day. This is so good. Off the chart. Off the chart. Okay, 1 second. Okay, the word of the day. So you say you can't cook. All right, just try. You know, the more you practice, the more you try, the better you're going to get. And try the same thing over and over and over until you have perfected that. Okay? Yeah, just try. Start with this shrimp and Roman noodle dinner. Yes, I paid $5 for the meal as I added it up, but I could have put another package of Roman noodles with that and stretched that for 2 people, right? Each person gets 4 shrimp each. Come on, you go to the restaurant for lunch, you're not going to get past 4 jumbo shrimp. So that's good enough, okay? All right, you try, okay? Because you can cook. It's in you. All you got to do is practice to bring it out. Your family's waiting on it. Okay. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. And whatever you do, please share this video because somebody needs to know what else can they do with Roman noodles. Okay? Until later, thank you. Bye-bye.